Good morning, students. It is your GK class, and we are going to do chapter 40, this or that. Here there will be one question and two options to this. Okay, and you have to choose any one option, this or that. Any one option is correct, and you have to choose that option related in this chapters. See here, first question is the animal known as the beast of burden. And which animal is known as the beast of burden? Usually the beast of burden is the animal which carries load, and donkey carries load. When we compare, we tell, are you beast of the burden? So the correct answer is donkey. Now second question we will see. A hoof is found on a dash. A hoof is found on a horse. See here the picture of horse, and this portion is called the hoof. Okay, so hoof is found on the horse. Third question is also related with the same animal. Which animal stands when it sleeps? And we can see horse stands when it sleeps. Cow is sitting and sleeping. Now next question is, which deer has horns? And my dear reindeer. Wait. Which deer has horns? And my dear reindeer has horns. See, reindeer is having big horns. Now we will come to the next question. Which can live the longest without water? And here the correct answer is rat, because you can see in go down or many, wherever the grams are kept, there you will see cat are inside. And when we talk about the people, those who don't drink sufficient water, we say that, are you a rat? Because rat can survive without water for a long period. Now a kingfisher likes to eat, and it is by its name only. Kingfisher likes to eat fish. Fish is the favorite food of this bird, kingfisher. A seal is a kind of. It is a kind of water animal. My dear, there are many water animals: seahorse, sea fish. So seal is also an octopus. Sea is also a kind of water animal. It is not exactly a fish. The name of the bear in Jungle Book is, and that is Ballu. And all of you know it because all of you watch the cartoon characters too much. So all of you know that the character is Ballu and Bagheera. The gorilla is a very big, and the correct answer is ape. Gorilla is a very big ape. Next we will go to next question. Birds fly with their, and the correct answer is wings. Feather is only one feather. Okay, so when wings are made out of feathers, and you will see the structure of the wings. No, my dear, this type of wings helps them to glide in the air and fly upwards. Next is a place where bees are kept, and a place where bees are kept is called apiary. Aquarium is a place where we keep water animals, aquatic animals in aquarium. Which animal carries its baby in its pouch? And which animal's picture is this? Kangaroo. Kangaroo carries its baby in its pouch. Now we will see some question answer. Which animal is very loyal and faithful? And my dear, dog is very loyal and faithful to its master. And thus dog teaches us, what does dog teach us? Loyalty. Because it is very loyal and faithful to its master. See the picture of dog, and the sense organ, nose, ears are very sensitive of dog. While seeing a stranger, it will bark and it will get rid of them. Which animal teaches us dedication? Donkeys are told as the beast of the burden also, but they teach us dedication, because you will see the donkeys are very dedicated to their master, my dear. And how much load their master will give, that much they carry, heavy load for its masters. And like this, it teaches us the dedication. See the picture of the donkey. Now, what do ants teach us? You will not see ant alone. They are working in team, and they are working in line, and always they are busy in collecting food. And in this way, they teach us what? Hard work and teamwork. Now, let us see the next question. See the picture of the ants, how they are walking in a team. How do camel move? My dear, camel moves in a very systematic way, and in this way they teach us discipline, because always we are asking children to move in a queue, proper queue. And when you will see the walk of the camel, you will see that they are walking in proper line. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? And lion is known as the king of the jungle. Why? Because it is strong, bold, and confident. And thus it teaches us these lessons also. Now, what do bamboo teach us? And bamboo teaches flexibility. Bamboo is very tall plant, my dear. It is very tall and sways with the strong wind. Means it bends when the strong winds come. Suppose this is a bamboo, and if from this side wind is coming, it will bend down and let the wind pass. And like this, it teaches us to be very flexible. What do sparrow teach us? Sparrow teaches us cheerfulness and to be without any worry. See the picture of the sparrow, how nicely it is sitting without any worry. Next comes, this is the Khajuraho group of monument, and it is in Madhya Pradesh. See, this is a group of Hindu temples and Jain temples. They are a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The temples are famous for their Nagara style architecture, symbolism, and their erotic sculptures. Means the temples which are made, it is carved on the stone pieces also. Okay, and it is situated in Madhya Pradesh, where this is known as Khajurana group of temples also. Okay, and just on the outer side of Indore. It is situated on the outer side of Indore. Indore is a very famous city of Madhya Pradesh. And here, if you will go in the local market, you will get many means which type of things, many decorative items or the carved things, that stone made decorative items. And there are many temples of related to Jain and Hindu religion. Not only that's why it is told that surrounding Indore, within 20 kilometer, you will get 400 tourist spot. In this, Khajurana group of temples are also, and it is spread in a very big area, this Khajurana group of temples. And it is our world's heritage also. Thank you, my dear. Thank you for watching this video. Go through each and every question and write in very neat and clean handwriting.